In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload Shopify customer data on Postscript. Let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Shopify and look for the official website link. Once you've found it, go ahead and click to open it. With the Shopify page now open, you'll want to log into your account. If you haven't already, make sure you have your login credentials handy. Enter your email and password, and you should be taken to your Shopify admin dashboard. This dashboard is where you can manage all aspects of your Shopify store. Next, navigate to the Customers section in your Shopify admin. This is usually located on the left-hand side menu. Click on it, and you'll be presented with a list of all your store's customers. This data is crucial when it comes to exporting your customer list for further use. Now, to export your customer data, look for the Export button on the Customers page. Once you find it, click on it. A dialog box will appear, providing options about the list you want to export. Make sure to select the correct customer list and proceed with the export. The export process will create a CSV file that you can later open and edit. With your customer data exported, it's time to open this CSV file in a spreadsheet program like Google Sheets or Excel. Get your file ready and open it up to review the contents. Once open, double-check that the file includes all necessary information, particularly focusing on the phone numbers and their opt-in status. It's imperative to have the correct information here to ensure your future communications are compliant and effective. As a critical step, ensure that this file only contains customers who have compliantly opted in to receive text messages from you. It's vital to be compliant with all relevant texting laws and regulations, so make sure this list is clean and correct before proceeding. Now, it's time to head over to Postscript. Log into Postscript using your credentials. If this is your first time using Postscript, you might need to search for more detailed steps on logging in or signing up. Once logged in, it's important you reach out to Postscript's help desk to initiate the list upload process. This will typically involve some communication back and forth, but starting this process is crucial. You'll receive a form to fill out. This is where you'll need to include your Shopify URL, your specific shop ID on Postscript, and detailed information on how the subscribers were collected. Filling this form out accurately ensures that Postscript can properly process and tag your subscriber list. Once submitted, the Postscript team will handle uploading and tagging your subscriber list. You don't need to do anything further at this point, but wait and watch for notifications. You'll receive both email and in-app notifications when the upload process begins and when it's completed. Stay tuned for those updates, so you know when your list is ready to be used in your marketing efforts. And that's it. You've now successfully uploaded your Shopify customer data to Postscript. This powerful integration can help streamline your SMS marketing efforts and keep your communication with customers smooth and effective.